This video, I'm going to show you on how you can integrate Fireflies AI with ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.fireflies.ai and log in to your Fireflies AI account. This is where you're going to integrate Fireflies with ClickUp. To do that, once you open the main dashboard, you're going to go to the left panel and click on Integrations right here. After that, simply search on the search node, ClickUp. Then, again, search here. Once you see this right here, the ClickUp one, click on it, and then click on Connect. Wait for a few seconds. Click on Trust right here, confirm. By doing that, you will be redirected to your ClickUp account, and then select the workspace that you wish to integrate and connect this with. Then connect workspace. Once you see this, it means you've successfully integrated Fireflies AI with your ClickUp account. And that's it. So, if you want to support your channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.